Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix maximum number of attempt reach on TikTok. Let's get started. For that, start by restarting your iPhone. This simple step can resolve temporary app-related issues. And after you restart your mobile device, simply check your internet connection. Ensure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection could cause this error. After that, you have to make sure you disable low power mode. If it's enabled, it can cause issue with certain apps, so simply make sure low power mode is turned off. After that, head back to your home screen, open up your app store. In the search bar, simply search for TikTok. Once you search for it, tap onto it. And just like that, if you see update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. And after that, re-log in to your account. Log out of your TikTok account and then log back in again. This alone can refresh your session and fix any syncing problems. If the issue still continues, you can reach out to TikTok support through the app to report the issue and get further assistance. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.